Are you tired of seeing your monthly budget disappear into the kitchen? With rising prices, it feels impossible to save. But today, I'm going to show you exactly how to cut your kitchen expenses by 30% without compromising on quality. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Bulk buying. Our first major strategy is changing how you buy your staples. Most of us have the habit of running to the corner shop every 2 or 3 days to pick up small 1 kilogram packets. While this feels convenient, it is actually the most expensive way to shop. When you buy a small packet, a large portion of what you pay goes toward the packaging, the branding, and the repeated transportation costs. To truly master your budget, you must switch to bulk buying for non-perishable items. These are things that don't spoil quickly, like rice, wheat, pulses, sugar, and cooking oil. By purchasing a 10 kilograms or 20 kilograms bag of flour or rice, instead of 10 individual 1 kilogram bags, you can instantly save anywhere from 15% to 20%. Think about it, that is like getting 2 bags for free every month. Pro tip: before you go bulk, make sure you have proper airtight containers at home. Protecting your bulk investment from moisture and pests is key to making the strategy work. Not only does this save you money, but it also saves you time and fuel costs by reducing the number of trips you make to the store. Tip number 2. Choose local brands. Tip number 2 is a psychological game. Stop paying for the brand name and start paying for the product. We are constantly bombarded with expensive TV commercials telling us that brand A is the only way to keep our families healthy. But the truth is, many local high-quality brands offer the exact same ingredients and nutritional value for a fraction of the cost. I want you to start looking at the ingredients list instead of the logo. If the contents of a local salt, spice, or cleaning agent are identical to the expensive brand, why are you paying 40% more? It's often the exact same chemical or food grade, just without the fancy advertising budget. Try a swap test this month. Pick 3 items you usually buy from a big brand, maybe your dish soap, your salt, or your tea, and replace them with a well-reviewed local alternative. You will likely find that the quality is identical, but your wallet will feel much heavier at the end of the month. In a typical household, this single switch can save you thousands over the course of a year. Tip number 3. Meal planning. Now, let's talk about the silent budget killer, unplanned shopping. Have you ever walked into a grocery store hungry and without a plan? You end up with a cart full of snacks, random sauces, and items you think you might need but never actually use. This is called impulse buying, and it's a trap. The most powerful tool in your kitchen isn't a microwave or a blender. It's a simple piece of paper. Meal planning for the next 7 days is the ultimate secret to staying under budget. When you know exactly what you are cooking for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, your grocery list becomes a mission. You walk in, grab exactly what you need, and walk out. Action step. Before you write your plan, look at what's already in your pantry. If you have a bag of lentils at the back, make dal a part of Tuesday's menu. By planning around what you already own, you stop buying duplicates. This method alone can prevent those emergency trips to the store, which usually result in spending double what you intended. Remember, if it's not on the list, it doesn't go in the cart. Tip number 4. Reduce food waste. Tip number 4 is a hard truth. Wasted food is literally like throwing cash into the trash. Statistics show that the average household wastes nearly 20% of the food they buy simply because it spoils before they can eat it. If you want to cut your budget by 30%, you have to master food preservation. It starts with proper storage. For example, don't just throw your leafy greens in the fridge in a plastic bag. Wrap them in a paper towel to absorb moisture. Store your onions and potatoes separately, as they make each other spoil faster. These small tricks can extend the life of your vegetables by an extra week. But it's not just about raw ingredients, it's about leftovers too. Never look at a bowl of leftover rice or chicken as trash. Use your creativity. Last night's boiled rice can be turned into a delicious vegetable fried rice for today's lunch. Last night's chicken can be shredded for sandwiches. By using every single bit of what you buy, you are maximizing your investment. In the world of budget life, We don't just save money at the store, we save it right here at the kitchen counter. Saving money doesn't mean eating less, it means eating smart. Which of these tips are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Life for more money-saving tips. See you in the next video.